So what happened now, guys? This is a part of our Oncidium cherry baby. There. So this time, I ran out of it now. So we're gonna put this more on perlite now. See, make sure we put the one because they like to get nice and bit, you know, and go nice tucked in. And now make sure you do this. You tap each corner, guys. So whatever just demo in there, it's gone. So here it is. We don't have to put it too much deeper. I think I'll adjust it again there. And then I'm going to put another nutrients for this one now, baby. So she will be traveling, especially the root, you know. This root's gonna get so big as well. But it's not so big like other one. This is like bit finer version of roots. But it's very thriving always, so this time I give them a repot. Okay, so just wait for a few days, like a week even, to get all these things done, and then your orchids will back to happy road. Then I always like that's the root, especially in there. Get some flowering. It's a big no-no to planted it, but I did it anyway. Sometimes it's worth the risking. As long as you know what you're doing, guys, you'll be fine. There you go, they are here now. Let's get the nutrients. And then I see you soon. I'll get the Oshishori, which is the orchid root. Get healthy. I'm gonna get this one here. What's that for? Okay, I'm gonna get some Smoked hair tablets for orchid, guys. Gonna get especially the flower. Get some pure. Sprinkle it in. And I'm gonna spread it out here. And now I put this one, guys, Antioxidant for the roots. Okay, enjoy and happy watching. See you.